Alright, so I just want to show you this replay from this damn game and how I do with my rear wheel driving cars. So here we go. This is me. I'm doing alright. You know, I'm probably about 30 seconds into this so far. It's not too bad. You know, I'm doing alright. Oh, I got one coming up. Oh, get around the corner. Alright, good. Nope. Ah, I'm off. And I can't move. I'm just stuck. So there's my first restart. You think you're doing okay, and then next thing you know, you're off to the side. Yeah, not too bad. There we go. And I'm sideways. Alright, straighten back out. Get that ass in. Oh, go. Oh, shit. Sideways. Alright, here we go. Try to recover. I'm trying to take it kind of slow so I can just finish this. Check this out. Ready? I'm not doing too bad. Oh. And the game just reset me. Without me doing anything, it just decided to reset me. Okay. No. Oh, I barely touched the edge. And so it threw my ass end out. Now here I am. I try to back up. Nope. I'm just stuck here. Can't do anything. It won't let me restart. Alright. It finally restarted me. Okay. No. Okay, that one. Alright, I recovered. You can hear my engine. I'm not trying to press the throttle too hard. No, off to the side. Oh shit. Yep. And I'm stuck. Once again. Alright, here we start me. Oh shit, I caught just to the edge. Nope. There I go. You barely touch the side and it just throws your ass in. Okay, come on. Nope. And I'm backwards. Turn around. Don't over throttle. Straight back out. I'm like barely touching the gas. Not too bad. Not too bad. And here's the finish. And I'm on the wall. And I'm last. Golly, I had to show you that one because that one was just terrible. I'm only a couple races in. I'm on stage 2. And this is how it's going for me so far. I don't understand why it's telling me to restart. I don't want to restart. Oh, here we go. Alright, so I'm 9th. Okay. Anyway, this is how my rear-wheel drive career is going. Alright.